Hello, Mathenic friends! Welcome back to another fun and easy math tutorial. Today, we are learning about simple interest. This is the kind of interest you pay when you borrow money, or earn when you save or invest money. And the good news? It is really simple. So let's dive in. The formula for simple interest is interest equals principal times rate times time. Or simply, I equals P times R times T. And if you want the total money after interest, we call it the maturity value. The formula is maturity value equals principal plus interest. Got it? Great! Now let us solve some examples together. Example 1. Finding interest. Anna deposited 5,000 pesos in a savings account. The bank pays 4% interest per year. If she leaves her money in the bank for 2 years, how much interest will she earn? The formula for finding the interest is I equals P times R times T. Solution? I equals 5,000 times 0.04 times 2. Then, I equals 400. Therefore, Anna will earn 400 pesos interest after 2 years. Example 2. Finding principal. Ben borrowed some money from a lending company. After 3 years at 5% per year, he paid 600 pesos as interest. How much did he borrow at the start? Let us identify the given values. The interest is 600 pesos. The rate is 5%. The time is 3 years. We are asked to find the principal. The formula in finding the principal is principal equals interest over rate times time. Solution. Simply replace the variable by its given values. We have principal equals 600 over 0.05 times 3. Multiplying the denominator, we will have principal equals 600 divided by 0.15. Then divide, we will have principal equals 4,000. Therefore, Ben borrowed 4,000 pesos. Example 3. Finding rate. Kara invested 2,000 pesos in a small business. After 4 years, she earned 800 pesos as interest. What was the interest rate? Let us identify the given values. The principal is 2,000 pesos. The interest is 800 pesos. The time is 4 years. We are asked to find the rate. The formula in finding the rate is rate equals interest over principal times time. Solution. To solve for the interest rate, simply replace the variables by its given values. We will have rate equals 800 over 2,000 times 4. Then, multiply the denominator. We will have rate equals 800 equals over 8,000. Next, divide 800 by 8,000. We have rate equals 0.10, which is 10%. Therefore, the rate is 10% per year. Example 4. Finding time. David borrowed 1,500 pesos from his friend. The rate was 12% per year. He paid 540 pesos as interest. For how many years did he borrow the money? Let us identify the given values. The principal is 1,500 pesos. The rate is 12%. The interest is 540 pesos. We are asked to find the time. Formula. Time equals interest over principal times rate. Solution. Put the given values in the formula. We have time equals 540 over 1,500 times 0.12. Multiply the denominator. We have time equals 540 over 180. Then divide 540 by 180. We have time equals 3. Thus, the final answer is David borrowed the money for 3 years. Example 5. Finding maturity. Value. Eva placed 10,000 pesos in a time deposit account. The bank gives 6% per year. She kept her money there for 2 years. What is the maturity value of her investment? Let us identify the given values. The principal is 10,000 pesos. The rate is 6%. The time is 2 years. We are asked to find the maturity value. To find the maturity value, we simply add principal and interest. Solution. Before we find the maturity value, we need first to determine the interest. Thus, we have interest equals 10,000 times 0.06 times 2. The result is interest equals 1,200. Now that we have the interest, all we need to do is add it to the principal. We have maturity value equals principal plus interest. Then, substitute the values. We have maturity value equals 10,000 plus 1,200. Simplify. We have maturity value equals 11,200. Therefore, the maturity value is 11,200 pesos. Now, Matinik friends, it is your turn. Here are 3 practice word problems. Pause the video, solve them, and write your answers in the comments below. Number 1. Maria deposited 6,000 pesos at 5% per year for 2 years. How much interest will she earn? Number 2. The interest on a loan is 900 pesos after 3 years at 10% per year. How much was borrowed? Number 3. A 4,000 peso investment grew to 4,800 pesos in 4 years. What was the interest rate? And that's it for today, Matinik friends. See, simple interest is not scary at all. It is just principal, rate, and time working together. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fun math tutorials. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling. Bye.